Mount Elgon noriwore gi piny mangima e godiechieng' kanyna kata punda ma piny ngima hingo kawuono. Nyasino manobagi gi riwruok ma ok mar piny owacho mong'ere kaka Ripple Effect Kenya kotudore gi sirikal kaunti ma Bungoma ne ochiwo puonj kotenore gi arita mar punda. Kaluwore gi nonrono, kwan mag punda osebedo kadok chien kowuok e milion 1.9 e higa 2016 nyaka matin ne 500 e higa mokalo, kaluwore kod nek mag punde ma oganda moko osebedo ka chamo ringe. Pien punda bende jo ohala moko osebedo ka uso ataro mar chik.
Today we had also clinics for the dengue where we supported the communities owning dengues through deworming and treatment of 113 dengues. And we want to appeal to the government to ensure that they are able to put restrictions to the bush slaughters that are happening in our country, and also illegal DHC, that is dengue hide trade, which we know might be happening in some of the quarters within our country. But there is still a gap in terms of knowledge and the importance of treatment of dengue by our farmers.
The main way forward that we acquired today is we've arrived at today is that the national government structures, basing on from the Nyumba Kumi initiative all the way up to the sub-county, the division, sub-county, and even at the national level, will be able to activate our structures so that any illegal trade, any illegal businesses that are taking place, we are able to curb that business, and we are able to ensure that donkeys are kept safe and sound.
Mimi ndio najitoa kutetea punda juu kama mama akiwa na punda, mama kwa mboma ndio punda, na kama mama mimi ndio natetea punda hivyo juu mama akiwa na punda kwa mboma yeye ndio punda.
Jochiw thieth kokalo kuom riwruok margi ma Kenya